Hi guys, it's Aisha and today we are turning me into a creepy cute scarecrow. And first thing first, we'll start with a hydrated skin so the makeup sits smooth and doesn't crack, and massage it in really well. Now I'm using a black eyeliner from Max Factor. It's a kohl eyeliner and I'm making sure that it's very intense on the eyes. Basically I'm doing a doe shape eyes because Scarecrow have that wide-eyed creepy stare. So take your time out here. Smudge the lower lash line a little bit. Don't make it messy, but make it intense. You can see how I'm doing it. Now I'm making the inner corner like a doe shape so the eyes look a little bit bigger. And here you go. Next, I am going to use a matte eye shade. It's from MAC Brick Red or Red Brick, and I'm going to use it as a crease shade with a fluffy brush. It's a matte eye shade, and you can use any other eye shade in the red or rust color, but I think this looks really well on the brown skin. Now I'm using the same eye shade on the lower lash line with the same fluffy brush, and then I am actually using the same eye shade as a blush. Basically one shadow to rule them all, one shadow to bind them. So you can just see that I am actually making it as a clown shape blush in the round shape. Now I am actually making a diamond shape, and this time I'm using a face paint on the tip of my nose, and you can see that what I'm doing over here, you have to take your time to make it perfect. Now I'm using the orange face paint to color my lips. It's very intense and it ties the overall look together. And now I'm going to take this orange lipstick, very little, from my finger and then just use it on my nose. Uh, you can use it with the brush at first and then you can just diffuse it with your fingers. In this way it looks very subtle, not very intense, and that's our idea because it's the face paint. And now the iconic Scarecrow stitches. So I'm still using that black face paint and I'm drawing dash line across my cheeks, and yeah, you can just use this pattern on the tip of my nose, and yeah, you can just see how I've made it all thorny, the nose, and now I'm using it on my forehead a little bit. And here we go, the Scarecrow makeup is done. Here I'm a friendly Scarecrow with a straw hat. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ciao! And here I am, a scary Scarecrow, terrifying sack mask.